So today I'm going to show you how to grout our turtle Indigenous Mosaic kit, which is part of our 7 Grandfather series Indigenous range. Our tile work has all been done and we're ready to get going with our grouting. Each of our Indigenous kits comes with black grout, so be prepared for a little bit of mess. So you're going to need an old tub, something that you can throw away at the end. Something to mix your grout. We've got a glue spreader here. You could use an old spoon, lollipop stick, anything like that. So you're going to pop your grout into the tub. If you leave some of your grout to the side just in case you put too much water in, then you can mix in the extra powder at the end. So you mix it with cold water and you're looking to get the consistency of like toothpaste. So once your grout is mixed, it should be kind of thick, it shouldn't fall off your stick or your spoon. And then you're going to spread it all over your mosaic. And just continue to spread the grout. You're just working the grout in between all the gaps, and you want the grout level to come up to the same level as your tiles. So once you've done the whole surface of your mosaic, you want to take the grout around the edges as well. You want to connect the tile, the glue and the board, and it just gives it a really nice professional finish. So I should at this point be modelling good practice and have some gloves on. Please do wear gloves while you're grouting. Once you've worked your grout all the way in, you want to take the excess off the top. So you don't want to leave a thick layer of grout on the top surface of your mosaic. You still want to kind of see your tiles through the grout. And then you're going to leave it to set, I would say about 30 or 40 or so minutes. But don't be scared to leave it a little bit longer if your grout lines are still really wet. Okay, so we're set. We're going to get a bowl of water and a cloth or an old rag. We're going to squeeze out as much water as possible. Then we're going to start wiping off the excess grout on the surface of our mosaic. Okay, so this is your first initial wipe, cleaning off the grout. The grout lines will still be wet, so the more you wipe, you're going to continue to move that grout around your mosaic. So once you've got the initial grout off, then leave it, work around the edge, give it a nice finish, and then you're going to flip your board over, remember, because quite often you end up having lumps of grout on the back as well. You're going to give that a good wipe. So that's the initial clean done. So now you're going to leave it to fully dry. You can leave it as long as you like now, even if it was overnight. Now you've got the initial layer of grout off the top surface of your tiles. So once you're ready to, you take a dry cloth, piece of kitchen towel, and you're going to give your mosaic tiles a real polish up, working in those grout lines. And you'll see the shine, full shine come back to your lovely design. And that's it, all complete, lovely, shiny, beautiful turtle from our 7 Grandfathers Indigenous Mosaic Kit series. Do go and have a look on our website. That's Tribal Fusion and Montet Designs, where you can purchase your kits.